I have got the Volkswagen Caddy 7-seater people mover here, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can easily fit the 5 InfoSecure child seats in the back of the Volkswagen Caddy, which is fantastic. Number 2 is storage in the Caddy. It's fantastic. There's some great solutions, like these tray tables in the second row where you can have your iPad and your drink. And there's also a big storage area in the ceiling above the driver and front passenger. Number 3 is the boot space. It's really practical for families. When you're using all 7 seats, it will easily hold a twin pram in the back. And when you're only using 5 seats, you've got an enormous boot space for camping gear and bikes and things like that. I have had so much fun driving the Caddy with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.